How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I find the most precise tops and the most precise bottoms in the stock market. Today, I want to talk about EZGO ticker, and I see a lot of hype in this. I see a lot of people asking about it, so I just want to go over what I see and the best reversal strategy I'm about to present you, and some insane technical analysis that works. Okay, so let's get right into it. So for penny stocks, you always look at the daily chart. If I'm looking at larger cap stocks, I do weekly and daily, but this is a penny stock, so I'm going to go right into the daily chart. We had a massive gap down here, and these are my bands. I use the Keltner, and I customize the settings, and you can get this free setup in my Discord that I'll talk about later. But what we're seeing here is a big gap down here. Um, it becomes right under my bands where I consider a buy zone. I don't buy it just because it's under. I like to look for a lesser K value. Right now, the K on the KDJ says 17 on this big gap down. Then, and that was at 82%. A lot of people are like, buy, 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 buy. But we like to wait. We like to wait. And so the next day it goes down 32%. And the K comes a lot lesser. So, what we're looking at here too, RSI at 18. If you got it right here, this is where technically, I mean, even if you bought it at the end of this candle here, you'd be just in a little gain. But you got to be really picky with penny stocks. Me personally, I look for less than 10 on the KDJ. This is 11. You would have been fine if you got it at this candle. But the next day it goes up 23 and then another 26. That's massive returns, and that's why I people love penny stocks. They give you these massive moves, and you just need a little bit of capital to make a good return. But on the flip side, look what this can do. I mean, down 16, down 14, then down, gaps down to 83, down another 32. So you got to be really careful on how you play penny stocks. Use this system to figure out how to do it. This system right here has made me profitable. I'm at 100% win rate because I use this on bigger cap stocks, but you can do this on penny stocks. You just got to be very picky. Um, you just don't get it on these big red candles. You got to see, okay, we get a buy zone. Now, how do we find the most precise entry? And that's when you look at the KDJ. The lower the K on the KDJ, the better the entry is. Right here, I would probably trade it just these two candles or even just this one. It's 23%. That's massive returns. And then it gets back under. Okay, do you trade this area? This is when it gets a little dicey. You got to know, technically, yes, you could trade if you wanted to get back in, but you want to make sure that RSI is at least under 20 for penny stocks. RSI doesn't really get there probably till about this candle. I wouldn't trade that. But that's why I teach, like, a lot of people are losing on this stock. It's like, how the heck would I trade this? Well, if you were going to trade this, make sure that the price is under the bands. And as you can see right now, we're coming up from the bands, and we want to test this middle band. Now, that is a big move. If it goes there, right now it's at 60 cents, and that's going to fluctuate. I personally think it's going to go around this area, because what you got to realize is price always goes to my middle band. You see how price is a magnet? If it goes up to this upper band, it wants to come back to the middle. And that's kind of what we're seeing here. Wow, this thing has some volatile moves. But yeah, so that's how I would trade it. Definitely wouldn't trade this candle right here. I want to see price under the band. And when you trade penny stocks, accumulation is key. You always accumulate. You never go all in on one position because it is impossible to get the absolute bottom. I can get very precise bottoms, but getting the absolute bottom is impossible. So if you traded this candle right here, you would just average in, average in, average in, accumulate, and then you get great returns. And I probably just call it a day on this one because 50%, that is amazing. And that is how this reversal strategy works. If you liked what you see, feel free to join this free Discord. I have not been charging money. I could, but a lot of people, you don't really need to when you actually know how to take money from the market, is what I'm saying. So it's a free, no monthly subscription, free to get in. I talk about trade alerts. I put images of what I'm actually in so you can see the actual option price. you know, what my position size looks like, and my theory on why I like it. I have a watch list. I had the setup video that you guys are probably interested in on how to match my chart to look like yours. This is the setup video, but this is all free. I back tested this for a very long time, and it actually works, and you can make tons of money on reversal strategies if that's what you're interested in. But yeah, this is ticker EZGO. Right now, we are not in the buy zone. I would wait till this gets under if you're not in it, or if you're in it, you could have a potential ride, a very big ride up to this middle band if you're patient. I'm loving it. I think this is starting to curl. Everything's trying to curl up, so if you're in it, hold on to your hold on. You might have a nice ride here. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and join the free Discord. You have nothing to lose. I give out the best, highest conviction alerts to make you guys massive amounts of money. Take care, all, and have a lovely day.